Well, good morning, my sweet friends, and welcome back to another vlog. It's going to be another glorious day today. I'm going to head out to get my hair colored. Artie is doing this thing now where he sees me starting to film and he wants to be in it. I don't get it. Okay, hold on. Okay, so I'm making myself a delicious coffee for the road, and we're going to do some shopping today for the patio. I gave you guys in my last video a little bit of my mood board on what I wanted back there, and also for my garden. But I actually do have a few more things I need to pick up for the front porch today. And I didn't do a mood board for that. I'm gonna have to do that because I do have an idea of what I want. So we're gonna do that today and head out and about and do a little shopping. And then I'm gonna share with you some cute little DIY things that look so super easy. So hopefully they will be easy. And I know you guys like when I share DIYs with all of you. So let's go enjoy this day together. Well, friends, okay, so I got my hair colored a little bit darker, which I'm really liking it a lot. And it is so beautiful today, and I'm starving. So I stopped at Chick-fil-A, and I always get a Cobb salad without bacon and with the chicken nuggets on it. No dressing. It's so good. Unsweetened iced tea. So, what did I do so far? Went into Michael's. Not a lot of spring stuff, still a lot of Easter stuff. Hobby Lobby. Barely any spring stuff. More Easter stuff. I really want a new wreath for my front door, but I might go a different route. They had none at Hobby Lobby. So sort of disappointed in that. So I'm not sure where I'm gonna go next. Maybe I'll take a drive to Joann Fabrics again. Might do that. So I'm not having much luck today, but I did get something for a cute little DIY. So we're gonna do that here a little bit later today. So I'm gonna finish my salad and then we're gonna head back to Joann Fabrics. Look at how cute these are. Oh my gosh. These are beautiful. They also have at Marshall's these adorable teacups with the spoons and saucers. Actually, there's a couple here. These so cute. Oh, I love them. Salt and pepper shakers. Oh my goodness, look at this pink mushroom candle. Alrighty friends, so I am home. I'm going to do a little haul for you. I showed you a little quick clip. So I got this dress at Marshall's. We have a couple of vacations and just for, you know, going out and about. Isn't that cute? I love the print, so I got that. And then I love bathing suit cover-ups because we've got 3 vacations where I'm going to be needing more cover-ups. And I love this color, of course. The orange. And it ties here with the little beads. So I think it's super cute. Love, love, love it. Oh, hold on. I'm not sure if you guys know or not, but I'm the biggest fan of Nivea. I love the shower wash, body wash. And this one they had at Marshall's is an orange avocado oil. Let me see if that was orange and something else. Oh, it just smells so good. To me, it just smells like summer. So I thought I'm getting low on the other one that I always get, like white tea and basil, I think is the one I love. But I thought, well, this will be fun for the summer. So I got that. And then, look at how cute this little bird feeder. And I'm not even sure if I want to put seed in it. I just thought it was super cute because it's a mushroom. So I'll be able to put that outside. And once we start decorating the patio, I had no luck finding anything for the porch as far as the new wreath and other stuff. So I'm going to dig in my basement and see what I can find. And I think maybe we'll just do a patio decorate with me video with shopping my own stash. I'm thinking that's what we're gonna do. I did buy something for a DIY, which is gonna be so super easy and cute. But I got something that I'm gonna be using on the patio. I shared it in my mood board on the last video, and it just came today, so we're gonna unbox it. Okay, so this is the chargeable lamp that I shared with you. That I wanted to have something on the patio that when I am, you know, just reading magazines and stuff at night, even though we're gonna have all the lights that we have all around. But it's wrapped up here in a nice little thing to do here. So here's the charger right there. I didn't want anything big and bulky. Oh, what I liked about this too is it's waterproof, which is super cool. In case the event, we had it out there and I'm like, oops, it's raining. So look at how cute this is. It's a perfect size. So look. That is super cute. Perfect amount of light. That's all you're gonna need. I can't wait to start decorating the patio, to put all this together so you can see what my vision is and how I put it all together. And of course, I'm sure some added things. But anyway, oh my gosh, I'm so pumped about this. It's gonna be so cute. I think I know where it's gonna go. But we have to get all the furniture out there yet. And it has to warm up a little bit yet. It's only mid-March. All right, well, here you go. The first new item for our patio. Hi friends, good morning. I'm telling you, this strawberry cream coffee is so good with the strawberry whipped cream. If you don't know what I'm talking about, make sure you check out my video, my last video. But more importantly, check out this mug. Isn't this so beautiful, the tulips? So I found these, and there's quite a few different styles, different flowers that you can pick. I mean, this is the perfect size mug. It's absolutely beautiful. So this is gonna be my go-to mug this spring, and I may even order another one to use in the spring and summer, but I am loving it, and I thought you guys would. I could not wait to share this with you. So this morning, we're going to do a DIY. This is so easy, even for someone like me. And I think this will be fun to use as you can put it at the Easter table. And well, let me just show you everything you need. This is gonna be just so cute. And also you can do this for like baby showers or really any time of the year. So all you need is a festive mold. So here I got a little Easter mold. Can you see that? And M&Ms. And I love these because to me, you can just use this color. I would load up on these for, of course, Easter, spring, even summer. They're so beautiful. And some white chocolate. And then these little pretzel bags. And some ribbon. That's it. So we're going to put actually, I might even add a little festive sprinkles. So we're going to go ahead. I'm going to get this chocolate melted. This should not take very long at all. Fun, easy, simple. I think it's going to be really pretty too. Now for the chocolate to cool off. It was pretty easy to do. I made quite a mess. And I'm sure those of you that do DIYs are probably thinking, oh, she should have done this, she should have used this. But You guys know me. I just do it, and hopefully it will be cute. We'll see. Anyway, I'm still enjoying my strawberry cream coffee. But I wanted to share with you just a few things because we haven't had chats in a bit. So I want to share with you this new series that I'm watching. And what I love about it is I feel like it brings out the inner child in me when I watch it. Older child. And honestly, friends, I think that that's really important. Even as we age, I like to feel youthful, even though I'm older. But I like to, I just remember the joys back when you were younger too, of just laughter and silliness. And I think sometimes people forget that. And I'm gonna be honest with you, my friends and I, and especially my friends from high school, we are so silly. Like, we truly are. I mean, you guys would see a totally different side of me with them because I'm just silly. I am. And we have fun and we laugh. So I really like this series because watching it reminds me of us when we were in our like 1920s. I'm sorry about that darn ice maker that decided to turn on as I'm filming. That drives me crazy. But anyway, and let me tell you about this. It's actually set back in 1870, and it's about these American, kind of wealthier Americans girls that head to London. And they share their experiences of London high society as they deal with culture clashes, differing approaches to tradition, friendship, and love. It's really, really cute. It's sort of quirky, fun, a little serious and sentimental. I think you guys will enjoy it. It's on Apple TV. So I wanted to share that with you. Okay, so next, I'm trying to decide what I'm going to wear for Easter, and I'm going to pull out a few dresses. I might just have you guys vote in the comment section which ones you think you'd like. So I want to do that too. I think that would be a lot of fun. I like the interaction that we do, like how you guys picked out my coffee table, which I loved. I loved that. Oh my goodness, I've been trying to just get a few minutes to sit down and chat with all of you. Morgan called the first time I tried to film this, and then Caitlin called the second time, and then the third time Mark came home a little bit earlier than he said because I was trying to hurry to get all this done and chat with all of you, just spend some time with you. And but on a positive note, we are heading to visit our newest grandbaby, Romy Marie, and we cannot wait. So we're gonna make a full day of it today. And so that's why I wanted to film this morning, the DIY, and share about the new series that I'm watching. And so tomorrow I will share some of my picks for Easter dresses, and hopefully you guys can help me with that. And I've got a few more things that I want to obviously share with all of you. So we're going to go ahead and check out this candy real quick because I want to get this out. And I'm a little bit nervous to see how it turns out. And then we're gonna hit the road, go visit our newest grandbaby, and then I will continue on with you guys tomorrow. Well, I think they came out rather cute for a first time DIY. And then I had a few more things. I thought, why not do one more spring-like delicious sweet treat? And it's with chocolates and pretzels, and again, these beautiful, colorful M&Ms and some sprinkles. This morning, Mark and I ran out and got an additional garden bed, and then we wanted a wheelbarrow, so we picked this up as well. And if you looked at my mood board, I did show that really pretty flower I planned on putting out on the patio, but Mark saw this one and he thought it was really pretty, so I thought, let's just grab it because I love the different colors of the flowers. So I can't wait to see what it looks like out on the patio. Alrighty, friends. friends, so I wanted to share with you 3 different dresses I'm gonna wear for Easter. I'm not sure what one. I'm gonna have you all vote. Now, if it is a chilly day, I always will wear like a cute little sweater on top, so no worries there. So the first one is, you guys know how much I'm the biggest fan of Hill House, and I just love the flow of these dresses. They're so beautiful. And actually, maybe I'll put like a full picture, maybe me even in it if I can find one from last year. So this is like the lacy detail. I love how this fits. I love the flow of it. It's so, so pretty. So this is gonna be number 1, okay? And number 2 is this floral one. Here, there you go. So I love this one. I wanna link, if I can't find the exact link, I'm gonna link something similar. This is also a very pretty dress. This one is long sleeve, it's shorter, but it comes to maybe a little bit above the knee. So this one here, this beautiful floral dress, boho-ish kind of look. Now this one, don't judge, I did not iron it yet, okay? So please. And this one is by Avara. I love the orange. I have this exact same dress in navy that I wore to Italy constantly. I hand washed it and let it air dry outside in Italy and wore it over and over and over again, because if you travel to Italy, especially in the summer months, it is so hot. You want something that's very loose, and especially also with the sleeve. So, but I love the way the sleeve is, and I haven't worn this one yet either, but I love it. So I love the color orange, so pretty. So this is number 3. Number 2. Oopsie, hold on. It's falling off the hanger. Or number 1. So you guys let me know, please, in the comment section. I cannot wait to see what you guys decide. Okay, so I'm gonna go ahead and get this vlog ended. I wanna get it out to you guys. And also I wanted to share with you the Monday motivation quote. Monday is for people with a mission. So what is your mission gonna be this week? So I want you to think about that. If you want, you can even share it in the comment section. And then the next thing is, my next video is gonna be decorate with me, my front porch. We had the most perfect weather. I had so much fun decorating. It's very minimalistic. I shopped my own stash except for one thing. And then I'm gonna be adding more to it, obviously, as we're able to get fresh blooms. And so it was the perfect day to decorate. It looks really pretty and very welcoming. So I cannot wait, and I really hope that you guys are looking forward to watching that as well. And then also, I'm going to be packing. We're heading to visit some family in Florida. I'm gonna be filming that in another video, but also we're gonna start seeding and getting my garden ready for the summer. And I know so many of you have been so interested with this. If you wanna start gardening with me, this is the perfect time to do it. So I'm gonna do a fun, full video. It's gonna be the best time. I'm excited. And let me know if you are, please. If you have not subscribed to the channel, make sure that you have. Hit the notification bell so you're notified each time I upload a video. And also don't forget to click on the link for the newsletter. We're gonna keep adding to it and changing it. I say it we because my lovely assistant has been helping me. And also like to know Amazon, all those things, because I love sharing everything with all of you. Love you all, and I will see you on Thursday. Bye.